Good morning. Okay, here we are in Tustin. First of all, if I sound a little muffled, it's because I have to wear a mask. That's the way things are today. But as you can see, this floor was started. Let me close the door here. Earlier this week. We already moved some of the furniture back for them, or at least helped with it. This was a bit of a dark reddish toned, and it was sanded down and stained grayish. I say grayish only because there's so many levels of gray. It was done in two sections, the upper half and then the lower half. As you can see, floor came out beautiful, actually, really beautiful. And also we did for them these steps here. Had removed, because they were all one big piece, we had to remove them, redo them, and then put them back in place. Floor came out beautiful. That's what happens when you hire us.